Hey there, web developers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Object-Oriented Programming, or OOP, and exploring when you should use it in web development. Let's get started. Introduction to OOP. Object-Oriented Programming is a programming paradigm that uses objects, data structures consisting of fields, often known as attributes, and methods, which are functions associated with those objects. In simple terms, OOP helps you organize your code by grouping related properties and behaviors into individual entities, or objects. When to use OOP in web development? So, when should you use OOP in web development? Let's break it down. Complex web applications. First, for complex web applications. If your project has numerous features, components, and interactions, OOP can help you manage the complexity by breaking the application down into manageable pieces. Each piece, or object, can handle its own state and behavior. Reusability and maintainability. Second, when you need reusability and maintainability, OOP allows you to create reusable components. For example, you can design a user class with properties like name and email, and methods like login and logout. This can be reused across different parts of your application, making your code more maintainable. Team collaboration heard for team collaboration. In a team setting, OOP can make your code base more organized and easier for multiple developers to work on simultaneously. Clear object structures and well-defined methods improve readability and collaboration. Real-world modeling. Fourth, when modeling real-world entities. OOP shines when your application needs to represent real-world entities and their interactions. Think of e-commerce websites where you deal with products, customers, and orders. Using OOP, you can create classes for each entity, making it easier to simulate and manage these interactions. When not to use OOP. But hold on, OOP isn't always the best choice. Let's talk about when not to use it. Simple or small-scale projects. For simple or small-scale projects, OOP might be overkill. If your project doesn't require complex interactions or extensive functionality, procedural programming or other paradigms might be more straightforward and efficient. Performance concerns. Also, if performance is a critical concern, OOP can sometimes introduce overhead that might not be acceptable for high-performance applications. In such cases, you might want to stick with more performant programming paradigms. To sum it up, OOP can be incredibly powerful for managing complexity, enhancing reusability, improving collaboration, and modeling real-world scenarios in web development. However, it's essential to assess the needs of your project and choose the best approach accordingly. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more web development tips and tutorials. Let us know in the comments how you use OOP in your projects. Until next time, happy coding.